All right, guys, so here's an example of a full gut rehab. These are the easiest to spot. You'll know a full gut when you walk a full gut. This house is a 2 bed, 1 bath, 936 square foot home. And at $55 a square foot, that puts this rehab right at $51,000. So let's start to walk it. And remember, full gut needs, pretty much everything replaced. And that's what this house needed. So we started to walk it itself. First thing I saw was the window units, right? Not only that, the window units are propped up on something else. Siding needs to be replaced. The windows themselves are old, need to be replaced. It's just one of those things. The back deck, obviously, that's not safe, needs to be replaced. Everything you pretty much see on the exterior itself needs to be replaced. Now, this one, it had a crawl space, but I was not able to access the crawl space, which is sometimes a red flag. If they don't want you to access it or it's bolted shut, it may be some hidden things in there that could show the foundation needs to be replaced itself. So we'll go here. Let's go on the interior. Let's start the walkthrough. So once you see on the inside, again, it's everything needs to go. I don't even think there's flooring in here. Another thing that you can't tell from this video, but it smelled really bad. That smell could indicate that there's plumbing issues, and plumbing needs to be replaced. But as you're walking the house, you kind of want to see what can be salvaged, like what can be saved, what can your rehab or your flipper use and save and doesn't have to repair or replace. But in these full guts, nothing can be saved. We're walking in the kitchen now. The kitchen is an extremely small footprint itself, and nothing can be saved. Again, the smell. Look at the floors. Look at the floor in there. There's everything has to come up. There's probably tons of mold behind there, tons of rot, and it's no saving this place. There's just an overall feel, an overall look, an overall smell that you'll need. Even the doors there, the storm doors, nothing itself can be replaced. All right, what do we see? We're walking into the first bedroom, just a bedroom. We don't, and again, I mentioned it earlier, we don't technically put, junk as, we don't tally that as a repair that needs to be done, but it's an indication. It's junk everywhere in this house. And I didn't even walk in this bathroom, guys, because it smelled really bad. So I already knew. I didn't even need to go in there. Plumbing in this house was shot. But yeah, that's a great example there of a full gut. You'll know a full gut once you see a full gut. It's no guessing right there. Then in there, $55 a square foot. So guys, that's 3 perfect examples, right? We have a cosmetic, we have an average, and we have a full gut. We're just placing these homes in those buckets, and you're going to keep it as simple as that. So now we know how to calculate estimated repair costs. I'll see you guys in the next chapter.